You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Then the road up ahead.
She likes him now. He's melted her heart.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Hey, you can say good evening. You speak English? It's my night. Come on, hey, say something.
No.
What, why not? It's fantastic, come on. Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Yes. Oh my God.
No, listen. English?
Si.
Spanish?
Oui.
Français?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Wendy, listen to me. You think I am stupid?
Yes.
This is brilliant! I want one!
So, well, you don't want to speak anymore?
No.
Okay. And now?
Oh yes, I want.
You know how to sing?
No.
What?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Well, we listen to you.
Meow.
It's bow wow, eh? You understand?
Meow.
Music, please. We're gonna sing something for you, all right? Okay. Don't look at me. Look at the audience like that. Feelings. Come on.
Feelings.
Nothing more.
Nothing
More.
more.
Trying to forget. All together, okay?
No.
Please, come on. It's pretty good talent, okay? All together. Feelings.
Ay, ay.
Feelings.
Oh my God.
Some people in a lifetime for a moment Some people I really love the things that you do. You're my best friend. Good boy.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank
Good.
you.
Right, introduce me, please.
I'm Ashley, and this is my dog Pudsey.
Pudsey.
Pudsey, yeah.
He's gorgeous. How old is he?
He's 6.
Okay, so tell me about the two of you. When did you first meet?
My mum gave him to me for my 11th birthday.
Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay, so you're at school.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you see the two of yourself if you were to win this show in a few years' time? I'm looking for Oscars. Do you think your dog and you could win an Oscar?
Yes.
Oh, yes, pricked up at that, look.
Yeah, he's heard Oscar. He's like, yeah.
Good. Best of luck.
Thank you. Putsy. Come on, Puts. Good boy. Ready?
He's a cute little thing, isn't
Good
he?
boy. Ready?
lovely.
Sit. Right.
Oh.
Head down. Right.
I want him.